Hey y'all, Merry Christmas and welcome to my home. Come on in. Alright, hopefully, hey y'all. Yeah, this is my big honking camera system. Okay, hopefully, I'm going to show y'all everything now that animatronic. Let me see, let me get on this side. Y'all just don't know how heavy this thing is. And this is my angel from 1993. It was my first Christmas with my husband. And she still works. She moves her head back and her arms. And she's on her base. She's even got socks and shoes on, y'all. Love her. Alright, let me go find the rest of the stuff. It makes noise. Alright, Hobby Lobby 2020. Okay, all my, what I keep wanting to call them, gingerbreads. My gummy bears were molds that I painted and glazed. I made all the bows for my cabinets. I made the gingerbread and the gumdrops all foam. All the gingerbread stuff came from Hobby Lobby. And this one lights up. And this one lights up.
Merry Christmas! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Went all through the house. Not a creature was.
Well, I hope y'all liked my home tour of my Christmas for 2024, and hopefully I could insert some pictures to kind of help with the videoing. It is light. I don't want to do it at night because at nighttime you're not going to see a lot of the other stuff, but hopefully you can tell all the Temu stuff that I have added to it. And I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and whatever you celebrate, just be with family. It's not about all this giving and presents and stuff. It's about being together and celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. And I want to wish everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, y'all. See y'all next Tuesday. Bye.